Hey guys, it's Gavin here. So today we are still in our chicken series, which is how many chicken recipes can I come up with from one whole chicken? Today's recipe is using chicken breast. It's a super simple recipe. It's one you can get the kids involved with, which is great. Keeps them busy, gets them active. We are baking chicken tenders. But here's the kicker. They're making their own dinner. So this is my little boy Dylan. He's gonna help me to make his dinner. So we have our ingredients right here. We got the chicken tenders, 3-step process. Flour, dipped in egg, coated in breadcrumbs, oil tray, oven, right? So should we begin? So I'll do the first half, you do the second half. Alrighty. One hand, flour, egg, drain off, breadcrumbs, go. Go to 2 hands, you wanna pat all the bread in there, you wanna coat the whole thing, keep turning it, so it gets a nice crust on there. Watch. Great, straight on the tray. Let's just pat it in, lovely. Perfect, straight on. So I'm gonna spray them with olive oil. The reason being, because we're baking them and not frying them, you need to add some fat so they brown on the top. There it is. All right, let's check it out. Here we go. Here those guys. All right, let's taste one. Oh, you took the big boy. But that was mine.
Nope.
All right, have a taste.
So tender and so delicious.
Is it hot?
A tiny bit, only when you feel it, but when you go into it, it's not hot.
It's hot. Like hot, man.
Daddy ones are hot.
We're looking right in here. You see, it's perfectly cooked and moist. It's baked.
Really crispy.
Yeah, so good. Thank you for watching. Get your kid, make some chicken tenders for dinner. We appreciate it. If you like the videos and want to see more of us, subscribe below and leave a comment if you have any suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers.
If you don't have a kid, what you want to do is just grab the other person that you have in your family with you.
Wait, what?